All right, YouTube. So today I got a call on the phone, and the owner of the restaurant I work at, he wants me to sub in, make some pizzas. So the order today, it's over 30 pizzas. All right, so there's a lot going into it. All right, you guys are gonna come along with me. All right, I'll show you guys what we do. All right, because we get down. All right, I can't lie. So what's nice is the owner telling me to come in today. That's the equivalent of coach putting me in. Okay, so it's a good feeling. All right, it's important to make yourself an asset so then people invest in you like that. So yeah, enough talking. Let's get right into this. Thank you. Fucking A. Okay, adult mac and cheese, Alex.
Adult mac and cheese, admin.
Admin?
Admin, yeah.
Heard. Got it. I'm fat. Yeah. Boy, this haunts me in my sleep. And then this one with the banana peppers.
Banana peppers. Now this one's beef for pork.
Heard.
Okay, we're starting to pack up. We're like halfway packed on what we have. Still stuff cooking, nothing ready to pull out for like probably another 3 minutes. Yep, same thing.
Which one are you cutting right now?
This is gonna be barbecue with chicken.
Barbecue chicken, retail.
Looking at 130, George. Marinara heating up. I have ranch getting filled. Mod sticks are done. Okay, mod sticks are gonna be in hot box. Heard? Got it.
Yeah, he called, wanted to bring home more. So like he said we should do it.
Yeah, that's a good sign right there. Pizza is loaded. Pizza is loaded in the car. So now we're just out. Simple, 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 simple.